Welcome to Chitra and Drawing Class for Junior. Today I am going to demonstrate how to draw a house easily. I want to introduce my art materials also. I use here pencil like 2B and for shading we use 10B. Let's start our drawing. At first we draw a rectangle. Then another rectangle in the same size. We draw two same size rectangles. Then we join the point. After that we erase the line. Then we draw a parallel line from here. Then we draw standing line. One from this point, both are same level. But the middle line is bigger than the line. Then we join this point. Erase the level. Our structure is ready. Then we go to detail. If you want to draw the basement, then you draw the parallel line. Otherwise you skip it. Both lines are parallel. Then we make the level for doors and window. We make two standing lines for doors. And two small lines for windows. If you want to draw a window in that side, then you make the level and draw the window in the middle. Then you draw the staircase. After that we erase all guideline. Now our drawing of house is ready. We take 10B pencil. This portion is always dark in shade. We make the gradation light to deep. Then we merge the shade and make a half tone. This gradation we always maintain in the watercolor and pastel also. Light to deep. This is shadow part. This portion we shaded extremely dark. Then we merged the tone. This is the suggestion of tali or tiles. We make here tree for dark tone for relieve the house. I think I finished my work and hope you have enjoyed very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video and press the bell icon. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.